Welcome to Taiba Kids! Welcome to the mini zoo. Lots of animals just for you. Big and small and loud and quiet. Come and see. Don't be shy yet. At the zoo we see a lion, roaring loud and looking strong. King of jungle, brave and bold, with a golden mane so long. At the zoo we see a monkey, swinging high from tree to tree. Jumping, laughing, full of fun, playful as can be. At the zoo we see an elephant, big and gentle, kind and wise, with a trunk so long and strong and friendly, sparkling eyes. At the zoo we see a giraffe, standing tall above the rest, long neck reaching to the leaves, eating what it loves the best. At the zoo we see a zebra, black and white stripes shining bright, running fast across the land, such a wonderful sight. At the zoo we see a panda, black and white and soft and sweet, munching bamboo all day long, singing down to eat. At the zoo we see a tiger, walking slowly, smooth and light, orange fur with black bold stripes, a powerful sight. At the zoo we see a bird, flying high up in the sky, colorful wings spread so wide, singing as it flies. Mini zoo is full of joy, animals we love to see. Let's protect and care for them, happy friends for you and me. Thanks for watching Taiba Kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe.